Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation. It's great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce ourselves. I am Muhammad Ridho Pageswara. Next to me is,
Muhammad Yusuf Fauzan.
and the
And I
last
am
is.
I'm Farhan Dhiwa Surahmat.
Okay, in this presentation we will discuss about the distance. This presentation will start from Yuslam, and the next is Farhan, and the last is with me. Okay, Yuslam, you can start the presentation, please.
Okay, okay. I explanation about edition. Edition is a way of qualifying how dissimilar to string between one or to one another by counting the minimum number of operations required to transform one string into the other. Number one, Insertion. Insertion sorting is a method of sorting elements in a container by inserting elements into positions that meet the conditions less than or more than an element at a certain index. Next, number two, a direction. A data structure is supposed to maintain a collection of vertex disjoint heaps under a sequence of two kinds of operations. A link operation that contains two sheets into one by adding uh, each and cut operation that divides one tree into two by deleting an eight. Number three, substitution of a character, something that as a process the to rewrite rewrite a set of objects using sentence rules according to Microsoft Group Health. The definition of a sorting algorithm is an algorithm for storing a collection of data elements into a specific order based on one or more key in each element. Dynamic program. Dynamic program is a powerful technique that can be used to many in-time OL2 or OL3 for which a name approach will take exponential time. Number five, example of dynamic program. The zero to one vector problem belong to a large class of problems known as combinatorial or free-tangent problems. In such problems, we try to maximize or minimize some quality while satisfying some constraints. For example, the metric problem is to maximize the obtained profit without exceeding the metric capacity. In fact, it's a very special case of the well-known integer linear programming problem. For example, this weight and values of an item should place item in a network of capacity to get the maximum total value in the network. Shopee. Shopee PCE Ltd is a Singapore multinational technology company which focuses mainly on e-commerce, corporate headquarters under the group previously known as Garena. Shopee was first launched in Singapore in 2013 and later expanded its reach to Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, Indonesia, Vietnam, the Philippines, Brazil, and Mexico. Next,
Okay, I'll continue from now on. The working concept of edit distance to correctly search items on Shopee. Dynamic programming, such as divide and conquer method, solves problems by combining the solutions of the subproblems. Programming here refers to the tables, not written computer programs. In this case, we are implementing edit distance to correctly search items currently on sale listings on Shopee. Next.
Farhan,
The implementation of edit distance on Shopee. The author will try to emulate a buyer who's looking to buy a laptop and will try to match with various items being sold on Shopee, such as Asus laptop, lap kaca, and lampu. Here is the pseudocode of Riefenstein distance used to match the search engine with the listed items. Next slide. Here we have the table of the listed items we are going to match with the keyword. We will match the most similar word on the listed items with the keyword, which are laptop, lap kaca, and lampu. By using Riefenstein distance, we can calculate the value of which item will show up in the buyer's page. The picture number 1, we have Riefenstein distance value between laptop and laptop. Next. On the picture number 3, we have Riefenstein distance value between laptop and lap kaca. On the picture number 3, we have Riefenstein distance value between laptop and lampu. As we can see, both lampu and lap kaca have the Riefenstein value of 4 and 5. If we match it against what buyer typed in the search engine, which is laptop, and based on the requirement, the only item that would show up would be Dhiwa laptop Asus, as it has the Riefenstein distance value between 0.0 to 1.0. Next one, Muhammad Ridho will continue this presentation.
Okay, what's the conclusion about the edit distance? The conclusion about edit distance that we can make from the discussion about edit distance is dynamic programming is a useful technique to solve certain kind of problems. When the solution can be recursively described in terms of partial solutions, using the Levenstein algorithm, distance can help overcome problem with typing error with the mechanism of addition, insertion, and character deletions. Next. We have suggestion for the readers. After some researching and some more discussion, the author would suggest to readers to the first is try edit distance method to solve problem, and the second is this article is only for the new readers that unfamiliar to the edit distance. We suggest you to search and read another books more if you are interested. Okay, thank you very much for the great attentions. May all this we have shared be beneficial for all of us. See you in the next presentations. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dah, coba tonton dulu lah.